and he was talking about Mark and introduced me to him later on. And Mark was then working in Macari's music shop, and
as a drummer, not as a bassist as well, wasn't he?
well, he just started playing the bass then, but he told me he was a drummer, and we were sort of talking about, you know, Lenny White and
Petula Clark
and Billy Cobham.
So you came in then, were you as a bassist straight away for Level 42, or did you change round?
No, I mean, the lineup sort of suggested itself because of, I mean, I really wanted to play drums in the damn band, but it didn't work out that way because Phil, you know, Phil was a better drummer than me anyway, so that was a bit of a, what a drag, eh? And I have to admit it as well, it's just awful, but that was how it was. And plus the fact that I was working at Macari's music, and I was able to practice bass things, you know. I was also trying to play a bit of guitar as well, so everyone was like messing around playing different instruments. Boone was a bass player at the time, but wanted to play saxophone in the group. Can you believe this? And this is, and he played sax on the first track, Love Meeting Love.
That's right, yeah.
It was all sort of, you know, it started off as good fun, you know, with friends, and it just ended up here.
It worked out quite well though, didn't it?
Oh, not bad, yes, you know, I have no complaints.
Okay, let's have a look at the next milestone. This is The Chant Has Begun.